Upon Derrick page, we go find him beloved. Yeah, that boy I make Derrick can't have no money. Any money, I him debated my time and I'm talk about rob that boy. Yeah. And that boy I make Derrick can't have no money. When Auntie Dana give him the local clocks, when Auntie Dana give him the clocks, and that boy I get the clocks. Yeah. Watch the kissing her heart emoji. Watch the kissing her heart. Hey, me feel like buying up. Me don't know a ring go there. Yeah, that boy, a Derrick man, a Derrick baby father, a Derrick baby daddy. Like how me have baby daddy, them have baby daddy too. Yeah, Derrick baby daddy. Derrick baby daddy this. Yeah, Derrick baby. Yeah, Andrew. Somebody call Frost. Wanna talk Derrick yet? Guys, power tap the live. Power tap the live chat. We want to reach 100k likes in the meanwhile. Ring him phone. Ring him phone, we want him there, so. So who have Derrick number, come ring it. When I like go up in a box, I have 2,000, 3,000 guys per box. You know, come off of me, we are go long Emmanuel roll. I bet say you come off of me for TikTok. It's so long you troll me, I'm not trouble you. You like come up about peanut girl, Rosealee, me and you. Derrick baby father. Yeah. Derrick baby father. Derrick baby daddy. That other boy I make Derrick can't have the money. Other boy I name out Derrick. That boy I make Derrick can't have the money. Other boy I name out Derrick. Yeah, wait till him come. Who this?
Then I really Andrew that.
Yeah, Derrick man this.
May I make him beat Derrick Moore?
Me not come about that. It's a Andrew Derrick. See there? At Instagram I get it off. Him post the man and me a post, repost back the man. Derrick man.
What goes?
A Derrick baby father. Go talk him there. Show the life to him.
Alright.
Somebody go call Derrick Morgan and tell him to come take. Somebody go call Derrick Morgan and tell him to come take him baby father from off my screen now, please. Somebody go call Derrick Morgan. Pete! And tell him to come take a man off of my screen. But anytime talk about Rob, that boy, I want him to talk about danger Rob him. I like the blood clots behind a man. Tell me I put up that one there. I'm going to talk about age. Derrick Morgan, baby father. Candy beg something, Candy. Candy beg something. Candy me beg something to the gift gallery at girl, Candy. Yeah, him and them out Derrick Morgan, I met Derrick Morgan can't have no money. Him and them out Derrick Morgan, I met Derrick Morgan can't have no money. He met Derrick Morgan broke and hungry and don't live nowhere. And can't have no money. That boy, yeah. I'm not straight. Derrick Morgan, baby father. Derrick Morgan, baby daddy. Over IG, me get the photo. Yeah. Derrick Morgan, baby father. AKA Andrew. Andrew, AKA Derrick Morgan. Whoa, I in me my mind. Yeah, that boy, come one, come all, don't be afraid. But Derrick Morgan, sure. Share the live to Derrick Morgan, share the live. Derrick Morgan, man, people. And that boy and them out there make him can't have no money. And that's why I want apartment. Because he want carrying the boy in the house. And him can't carry the boy in a shabby place. That's why he want apartment. That's why I want apartment to live in. Because I want carrying the boy. Because the boy like smell good people. And Derrick not smell good. But he must take Derrick money. So, that boy, you know, when him get nothing, when him get no clothes, from the body, that boy, I get it. When him get no clothes from the body, say for instance, him get 2 pieces of clothes, and that boy, I get it. Him get 1 pair of shoes, and that boy, I get it. Him get 1 money, him call that boy a feed. That boy, man. Anything what Derrick Morgan get, and that boy, I get it. So he want uptown apartment for that boy. He want uptown apartment for that boy come live in her. Yeah. He want put the boy uptown. Yeah. A long time the boy stay so. The boy travel through most of them. Yeah. That boy, Derrick baby father. So more sexual take it down. More comment section grab it. More all off the blogger page and take down. Make more look good. See there? Derrick, watch your kissy art. Derrick Morgan, baby father. Scoop. And if you go on this page, TikTok, if you go up on Morgan Anthony 252, Morgan Anthony 252 over Instagram, you see the boy. Someone attack Derrick it. Mr. Share the live to Derrick Morgan. Come on, him. Yes, so Candy. Candy can be one live go and look at actor post. Andrew. Candy me a beg something. Candy me niece. Me a begging after every gesture can send me. Me a beg something me niece. Me still away upon Derrick. Yeah. Nobody have Derrick number. Candy beg so much of the gift gallery me niece. You know every me girl? Pepper there. Nobody not call Derrick Morgan yet. Pepper.
Yo.
So Derrick Morgan,
That is it. 2 boy favor one another, that is it. You come for me pitney them, I come for your man them.
I love that.
Yeah, ain't saying love dub because of an Andrew favor.
Oh.
Derrick who tell you to come for me pitney them.
We were playing downstairs and the love said
Wow, I never say Dove fruity.
When Dove could have real, I got each up in a Derrick box, although Derrick a cuss him. Everybody are good on one time.
Everybody are good on one time.
One time.
Yeah. Dove and Andrew.
Then say he said in favor and he love Dove. And then a man take up, they go put love spell up and dove over there, yeah.
Yeah.
Fried rice and pork.
Fried rice and pork.
And juicy, and the girl and the woman when name Katora give one white clocks and ingy dove. So Dana give me brown ingy dove, and the next woman give me the next white one and ingy Uncle Andrew.
So if I wear the shoes, I'm get him give to the man.
He get one Psycho Bunny shirt and one jeans pants and one clocks. And he wear Psycho Bunny shirt and the jeans pants and he no put on the clocks in the Dove. And Dove put him on where boss name? When love go pan? Fried rice and pork. So real. Derrick you go down. You come from me picnic them. Knocks forward boss him Dove put him pan. Right. Everybody favor one big happy family. I go for two more pictures and come back. Me soon come.
Go for two more pictures and come back, Pepper. When you start there, man.
I have one picture when the boy say, let me go. May I come? I'm coming. And guys, me have one picture with Derrick naked. I'm coming.
You can't post that one, them love.
I'm not posting it. I'm gonna make a group for that. I'm coming. They come for me picking them a wrong time when me have time for my hand to them. I come. I go for picture them and come.
One and come, Pepper.